Good morning. Okay. Sabarmati report was nice. Okay, that's the, I think, morning azan. Yeah, that's what it is called. Okay. So, Sabarmati report was nice. Now, I don't know if the version that was depicted in the film was the correct version. But when you look at logic, okay, logic says if there is a fire that has broken out in a train compartment, exit routes are there for people to run. या जैसे ये बिल्डिंग के अंदर मैंने आपको बोला अगर फायर ब्रेकआउट होती है तो एग्जिट रूट इज अ स्टेयरकेस. Staircase is the exit route. Any path which is blocking that exit route is wrong. Okay. So, बोगी में फायर लगी, किसने लगाई, कैसे लगाई, एक्सीडेंट से हुआ, कॉन्स्पिरेसी से हुआ, जानबूझ के हुआ, कीप इट असाइड. बट द फैक्ट इज समबडी ब्लॉक्ड द एग्जिट. क्योंकि अगर फायर लग गई तो भी निकलने का रास्ता था. 4 दरवाजे थे हर एक बोगी के अंदर, तो आप निकल सकते हो. आप अगर स्टैम्पीड भी कर रहे हो जिसकी वजह से लोग निकल नहीं पा रहे, बट वो दरवाज़ा तो खुला है ना, तो लोग तो निकलेंगे ना, मैक्सिमम लोग निकलेंगे ना. तो अगर द थॉट प्रोसेस इज that 200 people were traveling in the bogie and X amount died, few got out and few could not get out, and few died due to stampede or fire or that smoke. So I'm not going to get into the conspiracy part, the accident part ki kisne fire lagai. I am talking in today's time. Exit routes have to be clear in all flats, in all buildings. Yeah, exit routes have to be clear because lifts work, lifts don't work. And जो 18th floor पे रहते हैं, they have to go down 18 floors if there is a fire breakout. बाकी Vikrant Messi, yeah, that's his name, no? He's supposed to be the flavor of the season. You were good, fine, good. इतना भी नहीं है, ठीक है. लड़कियां भी ठीक है. I think one of the girls is this Ekta Kapoor, friend. Yeah, I'd seen her in that reality show, Lock Up. She had come to cheer me, to say I was a badass. Fake it. Because you need me in the show at that time. Anyways, I don't need your certificate. But yeah, she was one of the main villain in the film. ठीक है, उसको वो मिला role. She does a lot of her projects, I think so, free of cost or whatever. That's their own internal setting. Anybody can work with anybody at whatever terms they want. Yeah, I'm nobody to draw a moral, judgment on them. Everybody has a right to work, like I said, in this country. So yeah, I watched the film because there was Bhool Bhulaiya and this, so I was like, कौन Bhool Bhulaiya देखेगा, पागल हो क्या मैं, watch Bhool Bhulaiya. So then let me watch Sabarmati Report. And बेचारा विक्रांत का वो post देखा था सुबह सुबह, where he was saying that he's quit acting. अरे why? Because you made a film which had Bhagwan Ram in it, so you want to quit acting. Don't do this sympathy. Or maybe it's your PR strategy, because your email ID is the email ID of your company. So आजकल PR जो strategies और gimmicks होते हैं ना, वो बहुत predictable हो गए हैं. But anyways, I had to go for my skin appointment, which I thought was yesterday, but it's today. Sometimes you just forget, you know. So then I was like, I'm out of the house, let me watch a film. The Starbucks coffee was horrible. The one that he gave me, it was yuck. I prefer my black coffee with so much of milk. Eeks. But anyways, I was like, I'll have it. Pretend. Oh, so now I have so much of work today also to do. I'll see. I have another meeting. Not meeting. I have my pending skin appointment today. But ये लोग है ना, do you understand? They try to take advantage of your requirement. मैं तो cancel कर दूँ. मुझे नहीं करना ये Morphus Forphus because it's not that effective. But फिर मेरी tip waste हो जाती है जो 8,500 की है. And the tip का shelf life is 6 months. But I would not suggest anybody to do this treatment. It's not that great. हाँ, but अगर आपके पास पैसे बहुत हैं तो करा लो. मैं तो बस अभी एक और ट्रीटमेंट कराऊंगी और उसके बाद नहीं कराऊंगी बिकॉज इट्स एक्सपेंसिव. पहले भी इन्होंने मेरे से आई थिंक कुछ कौन सी ट्रीटमेंट कराई थी, बॉडी वेव सेलुलाइट कुछ कराया था. इट वॉज नॉट दैट इफेक्टिव. So somewhere their treatment for cellulite is not good. It's not apt. So I don't want to like push it because you have to make the best of whatever is available in India. You're not in US, and you just need to maintain. You understand? Maintain. But no point spending so much of money. You know, because they will say that the tip 6 महीने के बाद पड़ी खराब हो गई without usage. They have decided a shelf life. How can they decide a shelf life of a product, you know, of a machine product, saying that it interacts with the moisture in the air and it rusts? Do you understand? That's their logic. So because that's their logic, उन्होंने टिप का शेल्फ लाइफ 6 महीना रखा. ठीक है, the tip that's used for all these procedure. So that आप 6 महीने के अंदर 3 बार तो आप कर लो उनका मेन मशीन का पैकेज जो भी है, चाहे सेलुलाइट का है या किसी और चीज़ का है, because there are a lot of treatments available for face, body, everything. 3 ट्रीटमेंट करोगे तो 3 ट्रीटमेंट का पैसा दोगे. You get it? अगर एक ट्रीटमेंट करोगे तो आपका टिप इज़ लाइक वेस्टिंग, यू नो. So business strategies, market strategies, you need to understand. So there's no value for money for Morphus. So I would suggest people not to do it. It's not that good. Don't think that Payal has said that it's good. It's not good. Yeah, it's not worth it. It's very painful. There's a lot of downtime. Not worth it at all. And they don't have a better option for cellulite. So, yeah. Just eat clean. Okay? So that was it.